Ever wondered how to make a viral vegan bowl? Today, we're going to embark on an exciting culinary journey, exploring the vibrant world of vegan bowls. Bursting with nutritional goodness, these bowls are more than just a fad. They're a testament to the power of a healthy diet. From the myriad of benefits they offer to their incredible versatility, vegan bowls truly are the epitome of wholesome eating. So, ready to whip up some magic in your kitchen? Stay tuned to create the ultimate viral vegan bowl. First things first, gather your ingredients. Our vegan bowl is a rainbow of nutrition, starting with a colorful array of veggies. We're talking fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, and crunchy cucumbers. Not only are they packed with vitamins and minerals, but they also add a vibrant visual appeal to our bowl. Moving on to proteins, we have a mixture of quinoa and chickpeas. Quinoa, a complete protein, also brings a dose of fiber and iron to the table. Chickpeas, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Last but not least, we've got our dressings. A creamy avocado dressing made with ripe avocados, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt. This dressing not only adds flavor, but also provides healthy fats that support heart health. Got all your ingredients? Great! Now, let's move to the next step. Preparation is key in creating a delicious vegan bowl. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. To begin, we're going to wash our vegetables. Now, you might think, why wash? I'm just going to cook them anyway. Well, washing is essential to remove any residual dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. And while it's true that heat can kill bacteria, it won't eliminate pesticides or dirt. So give your veggies a good rinse under cold running water. Next, we're on to chopping. Each vegetable has its own unique structure, and understanding how to chop them can maximize their flavor and texture. For instance, slicing your bell peppers into thin, long strips can enhance their crunch, while dicing your tomatoes can help them blend seamlessly into the dish. Now, it's time to prepare our ingredients. This step is crucial, as it's when we start to unlock the full potential of our veggies. Take our garlic and onions, for example. We're going to sauté them until they're soft and fragrant. This process, known as sweating, breaks down their cell walls, releasing the aromatic compounds that give them their characteristic flavors. For our leafy greens like spinach or kale, a quick blanch in boiling water can remove any bitterness while preserving their vibrant green color. This process, called blanching, also helps to retain the nutrients in the vegetables. Chickpeas, one of the stars of our vegan bowl, need to be soaked and cooked until soft. Soaking not only reduces the cooking time, but it also helps in breaking down the complex sugars, making them easier to digest. And what about our grains, like quinoa or brown rice? They need to be thoroughly rinsed to remove any residual dust or starch, then cooked until they're light and fluffy. This not only enhances their texture, but it can also make them easier on your digestive system. These seemingly small steps make a significant difference in the final dish, enhancing flavors, textures, and even the nutritional value of your meals. With your ingredients ready, we're one step closer to the final dish. Now comes the fun part, assembling your vegan bowl. As we embark on this exciting stage, imagine yourself as an artist, with your bowl as the canvas and the ingredients as your vibrant array of paints. The goal here is to create not just a tasty meal, but a feast for the eyes as well. Begin with your base layer. This could be a bed of leafy greens, a heap of fluffy quinoa, or a serving of brown rice. This layer sets the stage for the rest of your ingredients, so make sure it's laid down evenly. Next, let's add some color. Bright, colorful vegetables not only add a visual pop to your bowl, but they also pack a nutritional punch. Think ruby red bell peppers, sunny yellow corn, or emerald green broccoli. Arrange these around the bowl so each bite includes a bit of color and crunch. Now let's not forget about the protein. This could be anything from seasoned tofu cubes to hearty chickpeas or lentils. You might want to place these at the center of your bowl, making them the star of the show. Texture contrast is essential in making your bowl interesting. You've got your crunchy vegetables already, but how about adding some creamy avocado slices or some toasted seeds for a bit of a crunch? Finally, don't forget your garnishes. Fresh herbs, lemon wedges, or a sprinkling of sesame seeds can add the finishing touch to your masterpiece. As you layer your ingredients, remember to balance your flavors. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Aim to hit all these notes for a well-rounded taste. And voila! Step back and admire your work. Notice how the colors and textures play off each other, creating a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to assemble your bowl. It's all about exploring different combinations and finding what you love. Look at that! Your vegan bowl is coming together beautifully. So what are we waiting for? Let's move on to the next step, dressing your bowl. Stay tuned. A great vegan bowl is never complete without a fantastic dressing. The secret to an unforgettable bowl lies in its dressing, and today, we're going to whip up a simple yet delicious vegan dressing that's going to elevate your bowl to new heights. Start by squeezing the juice of one fresh lemon into a bowl. The tangy citrus will add a brightness that's simply irresistible. Now, add in 2 tablespoons of smooth almond butter for a creamy, rich texture. The nutty depth of almond butter pairs perfectly with the tartness of the lemon. For a touch of sweetness, drizzle in 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. Not only will this balance the tartness from the lemon, but it also adds a subtle hint of earthiness that's truly delightful. To bring out all these flavors, sprinkle in a pinch of sea salt and a crack of fresh pepper. Don't be shy with your seasonings. They're what make your dressing unique to your taste buds. Lastly, whisk it all together until it's well combined. If the dressing is too thick, feel free to add a splash of water to reach your desired consistency. Remember, the beauty of making your own dressing is that you can adjust the flavors to your own liking. Want it tangier? Add more lemon. Craving sweetness? Drizzle more maple syrup. The world is your oyster. Or in this case, your vegan bowl. With your dressing ready, it's time to add the finishing touches. Your viral vegan bowl is almost ready to serve. With our bowl assembled and dressed, we now turn our attention to the final touch, garnishing. The garnish is not just for aesthetics. It adds another layer of flavor, texture, and color that enhances the overall eating experience. We eat with our eyes first, after all. So how do we make our vegan bowl Instagram-worthy? The secret lies in the arrangement and the choice of garnishes. You could sprinkle some sesame seeds or chia seeds for a bit of crunch. Fresh herbs like cilantro or mint can give a burst of flavor and color. Sliced avocados, cherry tomatoes, or a drizzle of your favorite sauce could also add a lovely contrast. You could even get creative and add edible flowers for a touch of elegance. Remember, balance is key. You don't want to overwhelm the bowl with too many garnishes. Now let's talk about the arrangement. You want each ingredient to be visible and appealing. Think about the color contrast. Arrange your garnishes in a way that each element stands out yet complements the others. And it's not just about the bowl. Consider your entire setup. A beautiful tablecloth, some cutlery, a nice background, all these can elevate your food presentation. And there you have it, your very own viral vegan bowl. Congratulations on creating your very own viral vegan bowl. You've just taken a journey from sourcing fresh ingredients, prepping them with care, assembling a vibrant array of colors and textures in your bowl, to finally dressing it up with that punchy dressing that ties everything together. This isn't just a meal, it's a testament to the power of plant-based foods, a kaleidoscope of nutrients and flavors on a single plate. The beauty of this viral vegan bowl lies not just in its visual appeal, but also in its adaptability. It's a canvas, and you're the artist, free to paint it with the colors of your favorite fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. The steps we've walked through today are just a guide. The real magic happens when you start to experiment, mixing and matching ingredients, playing with different dressings, adding a sprinkle of this, a dash of that, until you find the perfect combination that makes your taste buds dance. Remember, each ingredient you choose, every flavor you add, is a statement about who you are and what you love. So go ahead, get creative, be bold, and most importantly, have fun. This is your viral vegan bowl, and the world is ready to see what you've got to offer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Stay healthy and enjoy your viral vegan bowl.